how to make Messenger load faster on old phone. So the first thing that I recommend you guys doing is switch to a low resource alternative. So for that, what you can do is use Messenger Lite, or you can use a web browser version of Messenger. So if you guys don't want to do that, then the next thing that you want to do is get your Messenger. Then from here, tap on the menu right here, then tap on settings. Then after doing that, scroll down a bit, tap on photos on media, and in here make sure that save photos and videos are turned off, just like that. After doing that, what you can do is go back and simply open your settings of your phone, and then from here what you're gonna do is scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and then from here keep on scrolling until you find Messenger. Tap on show all and simply search for Messenger. You can see that, tap on it, and then tap on offload app. Then tap on offload app one more time, and within few minutes your application will be offloaded. In order to reinstall it back to your phone, simply tap on reinstall, and within few minutes the application will be reinstalled back on your phone. And after that, I'm pretty sure that your Messenger will run much smoother on your old phone. And that's it.